Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Dredge in Dead by Daylight. The Dredge wields the terrifying power of Reign of Darkness, which grants it two unique special abilities. First, there's the Gloaming, enabling swift teleportation between any lockers on the map. Second, the passive Nightfall meter gradually fills, eventually plunging the entire trial into oppressive darkness. Mastering both is key to becoming a truly formidable killer. The Gloaming is your primary tool for map presence and surprise. You can teleport to any locker, covering significant ground quickly. Remember to leave a remnant by holding your power button. This allows you to instantly return to that spot, creating unpredictable plays. With 3 teleportation tokens, you can chain jumps, but be mindful of the cooldown. Use remnants strategically to cut off survivors at loops, forcing them into unfavorable positions. Nightfall is the Dredge's ultimate weapon, building as you injure or hook survivors, or even just by teleporting. It also charges faster when survivors are injured or you are inside a locker. Once full, the entire map plunges into darkness for a full minute, severely limiting survivor visibility. During this time, you become undetectable, lose your terror radius, and your locker teleports become almost instantaneous, making you incredibly dangerous. For advanced play, always break survivor locks on lockers when patrolling to ensure your mobility. When exiting a locker, rapidly press your exit button for a quicker, more surprising appearance. When returning to a remnant, quickly flick your camera towards the survivor's expected location to secure hits. During Nightfall, capitalize on your killer instinct, which reveals survivor auras within 16 meters, helping you find those trying to hide in the darkness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.